Securities is primarily an online investment house where we help customers to invest into stock markets, mutual funds, insurance. So we are primarily acquiring a large number of retail customers, and it is extremely difficult to service each and every customers because when it comes to finances, when it comes to investments, it is extremely important that our customer gets the advice, the right advice.
Email is a very important communication as far as Axis Direct goes, because that is how we can reach out to our customers who are spread across, and its overall email is also a very cost-effective solution for sending out communication. Not only that, the email also helps the customer to take decisions at the right point of time. Email has always been a very stagnant medium with a very limited shelf life. And especially in an industry which is as dynamic as financial services and especially broking, where stock prices change every second, it is very critical that the right information reaches the customer at the right time. And that is how decisions are made. And our industry really depends on when the customer can decide and how fast can he act to decisions.
So out of all the email communication what we were sending to customers, we penned down that the daily morning note which we are sending to customer is one of the most important communication, because this is one communication which goes out every day in the morning, and a customer is actually going through it and deciding on what to do when the market starts. So what we realized is that this particular information is all about saying that how the market is going to be. But whenever a customer opens the email and if the market is already opened, then the information becomes very stale and it doesn't make any sense. That's where Kensio helped us in terms of providing a real-time information, which actually helped us and every customer getting a real-time information whenever he's opening the email. So what happened was that whether the customer is opening an email at 11 o'clock or even at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, he is getting what exactly is happening during that time in the market, as well as what is the Sensex or the Nifty currently is trading at. This excited the customer the most because he was getting a real-time information even in an email, and it actually helped us tremendously in terms of our opening rate, in terms of customer satisfaction, and even in terms of customer getting more and more activated on our portal.
Daily morning note is a communication which is typically sent before the market starts. It gives an outlook of how the markets are going to open, and it gives the customer what stock should he pick or what stock should he focus today. Now the challenge was that not only this communication had to be relevant before market hours, but this communication had to be relevant even after market hours. So what we thought is, let's do one thing. Before market hours, let's focus on what is relevant right now. So from 8:45, which is typically the time when the email is sent, till 10 o'clock, we give information like what is the market outlook today, how the equities, how the derivatives going to open, what stocks should he look at, what stock should he go long on, what stock should he go short on. But after 10 o'clock, when the markets are live and when the fresh calls are in and when the latest news is in, that should be the triggering point for him to take decisions. And hence, after market hours, this email smartly switches from market commentary to the latest news that's happening right now, from the calls that are there before market hours to the latest calls that is happening right now, with the latest CMP, with the latest values, and with the latest research status. It has not only benefited the business in terms of the growth in terms of revenue or the growth in terms of the volumes that have taken because of the real-time information, but it has also tremendously helped our customers engage with us. we realize this not only from a feedback that we get from our customers, we also realize it from the fact that our open rates have gone up as high as 40-50%. Not only that, our click rate has jumped by almost 100% with the introduction of real-time mailers. Thanks to Kensio for real-time mailers, it's really been a boon for Access Direct.